Word makes it very easy to compare an original version of a document and the revised version. Just go to the Review tab, then go over to Compare, choose the Compare option, and in this dialog box, open the original version and then open the revised version. Then click the More button and you can customize how the documents are compared. I'll keep the defaults and choose OK, and Word has compared these two documents. So the original version is in the upper right, the revised version is in the lower right, and then the combination of those two is in the center. Anything that you see in blue is something that has been added to the revised document. Anything that you see in red is something that has been deleted from the revised document. At this point, you can edit the compared document, and if you'd like to accept all the changes, just go to Accept and choose Accept All Changes, and now you can save the compared document.